Oh, shit.
What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be 3D printing eyelids for the G35. It sounds kind of strange because you could definitely buy them like this guy right here for 40 bucks, but I was recently gifted a 3D printer and I was like, man, I'm pretty sure I could probably print this out. So I tried and it actually is pretty successful. You know, 3 prints later, this is like the final product. As you can see, it has like a little curve to kind of fit on the headlight. If you guys want to download the file, I'll put a link for the file. If anybody wants to 3D print eyelids for their G, I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool, but I'll show you guys what it looks like now. These are the prints. So the first print was this guy right here. It was way too small. I'm gonna show a reference photo right now. But honestly, it was still good because it showed how flexible it was and it actually fit really good with the line of the headlight. And then the second print was still not big enough. Anyway, this guy, no good. I'm like, you know what? I need like 14.5 inches. So I split it, but it just looks like crap, dude. And then when you try to bend it, like it was gonna look really strange. So fast forward, and this is what we have now.
So this is the final product. It's exactly where I want it. I didn't want it to be too aggressive. It's like kind of subtle. So we're gonna paint it, maybe sand it a little bit. Back at the paint table, just took a little bit of sanding paper, sanding them down so they're looking pretty good. If the paint doesn't look good, whatever, I'll just paint them black again. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. They have a little bit of texture. I probably could have sanded them down a lot better, to be honest. We'll just see how it looks. All right, moment of truth. This is the final paint job, and it's pretty good, to be honest, right? You guys tell me. I think it matches as good as it's gonna get from a rattle can, but oh shit, I think that looks really good. All right, so this is how I taped it up. Put 2 in the middle, cut 2 pieces to put one here and one there, and then again this part up here kind of like flickers off. Well, let me show you. This part here flickers off. That's going to be the top part. I'm just going to double check this side. I kind of went a little bit down. I'm going to gently place it. See how that's looking. Rush. There we go. That looks good. Now let's see how she's looking. Okay, honestly guys, I'm not too mad at it. Looks pretty sick. Cool. Just over here staring at it for a minute, but I'm kind of proud of the way this came out. You guys let me know what you think. I know you can order these online for like what, 40, 50 bucks, but I'm like, I have a 3D printer and it's like a little piece of plastic. I'm pretty excited about the outcome. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.